all, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to share with you guys all of my skincare products that I would repurchase if I've lost them or somebody stole them. These are like my absolute ride or die, and I don't think all of these are that expensive. Most of these are pretty affordable. So without any further ado, let's get started. Also, I did wear a little bit of gloss today. This gloss is the Fenty's Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. So if you can see my hair sticking to my gloss, that is the reason. But I've eventually turned out to be this gloss girl. I don't know what is happening. But let's get started. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is a face wash. And if you guys know me, you know I love the Cetaphil's Oily Skin Cleanser. This is one of the best skin face wash I ever used. I love this. I do kind of go back and forth in different products, but I love coming back to this. This is non-comedogenic. It gives no bad sting to my face. I don't like that squeaky clean thing. I love that this cleans my face as well. Really affordable. This is for $5.45, and this is like the expiry for this is almost 3 years. So I absolutely love this. This is my favorite face wash I will ever use. So I love this. Next up I have skincare, and the first product I love to apply on my face right after the face wash is the Minimalist Squalene. This is their olive origin derived squalene. This is a plant derived squalene. It's absolutely nice. It has a non-comedogenic. It's for all skin types. I think this is my 7th or 8th bottle. I love this. Since the day I found that squalene works for my skin, I have never used anything else on my skin. No matter whether it's oily, whether my face is oily, whether there's a lot of sun, summers, winters, I don't care what it is. I love this product way too much. This is an amazing product if you are somebody who does not know what moisturizer you want to use with no fragrance. This is like a good start. Alrighty, now coming to sunscreens. The sunscreen that I love, and I've been absolutely using it for about, I want to say more than 9 months, is this the Dermaco's 1% Hyaluronic Invisible Sunscreen. This is really good. This is the Aqua Gel Sunscreen. I think I'm done with this. Yeah, this is absolutely done. I love this so much. I have another bottle as a backup. I love this. This has no white cast. This has SPF 50. It has UVA UVB protection. It's really good. It has hyaluronic acid and it's fragrance free. That is the best part about this. So I love this sunscreen for my face. And for body, I love using sunscreens, especially when I'm on my trips or when I'm going on a daily basis, when I'm going outside and I wear like short dresses, like a dress or like shorts or something like that. I love applying sunscreen, and I've seen like a significant difference in my tan as well. So, and the sunscreen that I love to use for my body is the Dot & Key's Vitamin C Plus E sunscreen. This also has SPF 50, PA++, UVA and UVB protection. This also has blue light protection. So I like using this for the body. For underarm deodorants, I do not like any BO, no matter what it is. I love somebody who smells really good. And because I have that kind of a pet peeve, one of the few things I like to apply underarms is the Nivea's Roll-On. Now this is the Nivea's Black and White Invisible Roll-On. This is not available in India. I got this from Sweden and I love using this. I'm almost done with it. However, I do have a backup of this. This is the same one, but this is more like a bar form. This is more of the liquid form. That's all. It's the same thing. So I love this. This actually helped me not have any itchy underarms. So these are really good products that I've loved. Then for those kind of days where acne visits me, I love using this. This is the Dermaco's 2% salicylic acid. Now this is for active acne. And trust me, I have just started using this for maybe a month and I really love this. So I feel like this is a very good investment in somebody who has acne prone skin. Like I do have acne right over here that's popping up because it's that time of the month. And there's also one over here. It's not that big, but I can actually feel it. So this is really good. It works well. And now coming to the body, only lotion that I love using to the body when there are days that I feel like, oh my god, my skin is dying, and that is the Parachutes body oil. This has olive and almond. It is a beautiful oil that helps soothe your soothe and moisturize your skin at the same time. It does have fragrance, but for body I feel like this is an absolute lovely product. I'm almost done with this, and this is the second bottle, so I really like this, and I've been using it for more than 6 months. Yeah, I've been using it from 2022, like 2022, and this is already 2023 August, and the expiry for this is for 25. So it's a good product to travel with as well, and I feel like while traveling, when you get very dry now, this is going to do wonders to your skin. So this is my absolute favorite holy grail product that I will definitely repurchase. And now coming to the concept of lip balms. Now lip balms are something that I love so much, and I love having those juicy lips. I don't know why. Eventually I've fallen into this trend of having juicy, lovely, plumpy looking lips, and most of these are, I have like around two different kinds of lip balms right here. So let's go with my absolute favorite, and that is from the house of Laneige. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in the flavor mango. I have the mint choco as well and the berry. I love this. This is like the bigger bottle for 1100 rupees. I do have the smaller ones that I always put in my bags for traveling. Love these. These are, I don't use them only in the night, I use them in the morning as well. And these are absolutely nourishing, good quality, absolutely long lasting. Like literally I have dug into this and I still have a lot more left. I love this. I feel like Laneige knows how to do their lip balms, and because like while traveling it kind of gets difficult for me to like dig my hands and do that, I bought their squeezy tubes as well. I have two of these. One is grapefruit and the other one is gummy bear. Now both of these are really good. The only thing is I don't love these squeezy tubes because the quantity that I get in this is much less for the amount I'm paying. Like this is for 650 rupees and this is for 1100. I would rather buy this, but because there is a future travel coming up for me, I felt like, you know, just invest in these so that, you know, I can travel with no like, you know, the anxiety in me to dig my unhealthy fingers and put it on my lips. So these are that. And then if it is not Laneige, another lip balm that you will definitely find in and around me are from the house of Burt's Bees. I love these lip balms. I have honey, pomegranate and vanilla bean. I do have way too many that I got from Sweden, and the honey one is actually done. Like, can you see? It's completely over. Like yeah, it's completely over, and I'm waiting to just throw it off. I just wanted to show you guys and throw it. I love these, and I have two more. This is pomegranate and vanilla. Both of these are really good products. This has a slight bit of tint. Yeah, this has a slight bit of a tint, but I'm okay with no tint as well. So these are lovely products. But those are all the things that I have for skincare that are absolute my ride or die. These are the products I cannot travel without. I can also travel without foundations or like, you know, lipsticks or something like that, because I can buy it eventually, but these are something that I will never leave my house without if I'm going for a trip. But that is all for the video. If you like such kind of videos, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.